What's going on, guys? Varbays here with July KetoKrate. So the KetoKrate's great, and if you're thinking about getting the KetoKrate, I suggest do it now. They usually sell out every single month. Use code Varbays at checkout for 25% off your first crate, or click the link at the below this or in our bio, or visit our website varbays.com, and you can click the link there also. But let's jump into it. So this one came a little different this time. Usually the card that tells you everything about what's in the crate, recipes, success stories, things like that, I think it's at the bottom this time, which is okay. It's been like that before, but let's get into it. So better than good. These are one of our sponsors for Varbays.com. They're puffs, so they're kind of like a Cheeto puff. They feel like you're cheating and you're actually eating a potato chip or something, but you're not. Because these are, let's get into them. Can I see it? Oh, I don't think I can. All right, well, we can't see those ones, but I know it's no low net carbs and all that. But again, people won't say these are keto. Oh, here it is. It's up at the top. Use your eyes, Brian. 4 carbs for the whole bag. Not bad. But again, people won't, strict keto people will not think this stuff is keto. We're lazy, low carb, low sugar, kind of keto if you say. We just call it a low sugar, low carb lifestyle. Helps us stay on track. It's been over a year, and we're looking great and feeling great. These are really good. The high key mini cookies, they are really good. 1 gram net carbs. They taste like a soft chocolate chip cookie. Not as good as my wife's cookies, and she has a keto recipe on varbays.com you can get for free. There's no annoying pop-ups, and we don't make you sign your email. You can just browse our site and look at our products, look at our recipes, copy them down for free. If you do sign up for the email, every time we put a new recipe, you'll automatically get it in your inbox, so you don't have to go to our site every time. So those are really good. Check them out. Macadamia nuts. We're going to Maui next month, and we love some macadamia nuts. So we'll be trying these out. Now, I always say I'm going to do a review on stuff, but I don't really like doing reviews because I don't want to bag on anybody's products. They're all out there trying to make a living, trying to help other people out, and they think their products are great, so I don't really want to bag on them. So I wouldn't bag on them. I'd just tell you honestly if they're good or not. And I am going to do that, which has been so busy. As you know, 2020 turned off. So once we got back to work, our full-time 9-to-5 jobs, which we're getting ready to ditch those too, because we've been doing affiliate marketing. You can check out Varbays Affiliate if you want to learn that. So we're just like slam busy. It's like the faucet turned on. So we just got so much to do. But I will get around to that. Maybe I'll do one in a Maui. Take these to Maui maybe and do them over there. That would be cool. Let's go. Cookie department cakewalk. If you could see my hands kind of pushing into it, these are soft. And they are good. 1 gram sugar, 4 gram net carbs. Not terrible. Never had this. Gouda. I like Gouda. Wifey is not so much onto the Gouda, but let's see what they have. 1 gram. How many servings? 3. So you're going to have 3 grams net carb if you ate the whole thing. Which if you binged and just like had to do it one day and you just ate them all, you'd probably be okay for that day. Usually get some kind of beef stick in it. This one's smoked beef stick. Grass-fed beef. Fats, 4. Protein, 9. Carbs, 1. And see, you're probably thinking to yourself, how does a beef stick have carbs? Well, they got to put seasonings and things like that into it, so that's how you get your carbs out of it. But they're good. They're delicious. Double chocolate, who is this? Revolve snack. It's keto, paleo, plant-based. So if it says keto on it, they're claiming that if you're strict keto, you can power these little bad boys. What does it say? Let's look. Let's look together. 8 grams carbohydrate, minus the 3 fibers, and the 4. So it's 1 gram. So again, a lot of strict keto people won't, I can't even pronounce it, but they won't do that. That little baby right there. They're not into that. But again, we're low carb, low sugar. And anything you see in this crate right here, or any of the crates. So if you're a subscribing member to KetoKrate every month, if you find a product in this that you really, really like, You just go to the keto store on the KetoKrate website, and you can order any of this stuff individually. So if there's something you really like and you're like, I want to have it, I suggest if that month you love it, get on right away and order 2 or 3 so you have some backup, because they go out of the keto store too if they sell out. So just a little tip. Word for the wise. IQ bar banana nut. Had this before. Delicious. Throw it in your bag. Throw it in your backpack. Whatever. You're going to school. You're going to work. You're going to the gym. It's 2 grams of sugar and 3 net carbs, but 12 grams of plant-based, easy for you to say, plant-based protein. So it's good for a little boost. Oh, I love it when they send some pork rinds. What do we got this time? Priscilla? Chili cheese? Are there chili cheese? Yeah, sure. What's it say? Oh, less than 1 gram total carbohydrates per serving. Pork rinds are great, and I'll be honest, you get sick of pork rinds, but then when you don't have pork rinds, you kind of wish you had some pork rinds. So pork rinds are good to stay on hand. They stay fresh. If you throw them in a Ziploc, like if you open this bag here, and then you throw them in a Ziploc and just like throw them in your drawer out of the light, they'll last a long time, a couple months probably, before they get kind of stale. But they're great go-tos, because when you make a sandwich or you make a hamburger, a lettuce wrap hamburger or a lettuce wrap sandwich, or you use low-carb bread like Sola bread or something like that, you always want a side of some sort. So you either got to do some vegetables. My wife makes a vegetable salad, and throws a little crab in it. Real crab, not imitation. Imitation crab has a lot of sugar. Throws a little, and that's on our website too, the recipe. And then throws Yum Yum sauce from G. Hughes and the chili sauce from G. Hughes and mixes it together like a summer salad. It's delicious. Go to Varbays.com. Check out the free recipe. Make it. It's got broccoli, cauliflower, everything. And it feels like you're eating a pasta salad, but you're not. I swear. So that's a good side to put on things. But pork rinds are always good just to go to real quick. Okay, we've had several products, and they're actually one of our sponsors, Keto and Company. We've never had the peanut butter crunch keto granola. It doesn't even really look like granola on it, huh? It looks a little different. Almost like busted up potato chips, but their stuff is really good. Their products, and even their baking stuff, which a lot of the keto baking stuff is terrible, but their products are good. So 11, 6, and then 2, 8. So it's like 3 net carbs per serving, and there's 10 servings in here. So you don't want to power this down, but if you got some like Good to Go, I think it's called, granola, not granola, the yogurt. If you have something like that, this is good to throw on top. If you make one of our desserts from Varbays.com, those are all low sugar, low carb. Throw a little granola on it for a little extra crunch. That'd be good. And here it is. Da-da-da. July 2021. So there's the members only shop. See how that goes, right? This is what you are. Let me look at this. You are amazing. What is it, like watch a funny interactive, like a little game to kind of keep you on track, I guess? Fortune tellers. Have Keto Will Travel. We'll be reading that because we're going to Maui. But we've been doing it for over a year, so we kind of know what we need to do when we go out and stuff. And trust me, it gets easier and easier. Some people complained to us, and then it usually has loaded cauliflower casserole. Has a recipe too. So it's always good. We always keep these to refer back to. But a lot of people complain that it was hard to stay on track. They're hungry all the time and everything. That all passes. It's like any lifestyle change. Whether you quit drinking, quit smoking, you start cutting back on the foods, the bad foods you eat, and eating the better foods. It takes a little bit for your body to get used to it, like a month. But then after that, you're fine. You stay on track. We've stayed on track. We don't fall off. We still do about an 80-20. So we reward ourselves with a cheat meal, not a day, a meal like once or twice a week. And we're going to go on vacation, so we'll do it then. If you need any help, any advice, anything, info@varbays.com, or go to Varbays.com. If you want to get your own KetoKrate, what's this? Oh, the macadamia. So that sometimes they have a little card in here where you can, let me put it right. Good for you, good for the farmer's plant. I don't know what it means. Anyways, I'll read that later. Again, if you want to have any advice, free recipes, everything, Varbays.com. You can hit us up on email there if you want. Sign up to our list. Or you can just email us, info@Varbays, and we'll help you with any advice we can. We're not, dietitians, and we're not professional doctors or anything like that, so we don't claim to be. We just give advice. What worked for us, what products work for us, what products are good to us. It's just our advice. So there it is. If you want to get the KetoKrate, jump on it now. Do not wait. By the end of the month, they're usually gone. So you'll have to wait till the following month. If you sign up towards the end of this month, you'll have to wait till probably September to get your first one because they could be sold out for August already. But use code Varbays on checkout, 25% off, or click the link here or on our website or anywhere. That's it. Y'all be cool to one another.